guys, welcome back to my channel. So today this is going to be a completely new video. Today I'm going to be sharing my Holi shopping that I did like on Monday. No, sorry, Monday was Holi. So I did the shopping on Sunday, just before Holi, just the day before Holi, and it was just a sudden plan. Before this, I was not planning to buy anything because sometimes I buy and sometimes I don't buy. So there's nothing fixed that I have to buy on a festival or something. I just buy whenever I feel like buying. So this time we just thought of going and buying a few stuff, and I have bought a couple of stuff from Globus. Um, I had seen Reliance Trend also, because where I live, there's this one mall which doesn't have a lot of brands in here. We had to we have to manage in whatever brands they have. So we first went to Reliance Trends, and as usual, I did not like anything. I never like anything in Reliance Trend. Please let me know, all those people who share the same views as me, because whenever I go to Reliance Trends, I never find anything that is looking good, that is worth the price that they offer. So then I went to Globus, and I have done a lot of shopping from Globus in the past week as well. And this time also I went to Globus, and I liked a few things, and I picked up a few things and I bought them. Though I also bought, like, one two things which I had no plans of taking, but then I liked it, and all of a sudden I thought I'll take it. So I'm gonna start my haul, which is from Globus. Everything that I'm gonna show you is from Globus, and I just hope that you like my thing, my stuff, and my haul. And if you do like it, please subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. So this is how it starts. So the first thing that I've got is it Bohemian kurti. I'm gonna share the prices also, though I've forgotten a bit. I'm gonna share a price of everything. So this is a Bohemian kurti which I got from Globus, and you people must be knowing that Globus is kind of famous for its kurtis and this ethnic collection. So this, it has like 1/4 sleeves like these, and then you have to, like, this is like, what do you call them, the tassels or whatsoever it is. So you have to just tie them up here. And I this for inner, I haven't got any inner because I already have a lot of inners, like spaghetti tops. So I had this one greenish spaghetti top which I wore it with, and I wore the spaghetti top which is from Meramura. I wore it inside this, and then I teamed it up with this thing. And this thing I wore on Holy day, and we went outside. So and it was looking really nice. I have even posted a picture on Facebook, on my Facebook and my Insta. Though you will not see the whole kurti there, but you will see a bit of the sleeve and everything. So this is very nice. This is from the brand Bohemania. This is from the brand Bohemania from Globus, and this is something I got for, I think I got this for 1499. Yes. So this is what I, sorry, this is what I got for 1299. This is 1299. Yes. So this is the first pair that I got, and I've already worn it. So this is on a hanger, if you can see, because it was there in my cupboard. I took it out and I have to show you. So this is the first thing that I got. Then the other thing that I got, I'll show you, which are completely new, still in the packet intact. I have not worn it even once. So this is the second, this time I've got a lot of kurtis and ethnic stuff. So this is the second kurti that I got. This is like a high-low thing, if you can see, a bit like that. And this is like a nice pinky, light pink shade, and it has like this detailing here, which I really like. You can open it up and wear it, or you can pair it up with a lot of things. And this has this nice neck here, which looks really nice. And I love wearing sleeveless. I love wearing sleeveless. So this was sleeveless. They have given sleeves also as well, like the short sleeves which are there inside. They have tagged somewhere. Let me see. You have seen the sleeves, yeah. So these are the sleeves they had given. Yes, these are the sleeves they had given, but I don't have any plans of putting the sleeves up on this. So this looks really nice. I wore this and I really liked it, and I got it. So this is also from the same brand, Bohemania, and the price of this is, yes, this is 1499. So this was for 1499 and I liked it, so I got this. So this is the second thing that I got. Then there's a third thing also that I got, and that is a top. This is a crop top with bell sleeves, and I really liked it. It has this ethnic look to it, so I liked it a lot. This is the top. This is like a simple top, crop top, and then I really love the sleeves they have given. See, these are the sleeves, and they look amazing when you wear it, and especially because this is a crop top. A lot of people like wearing crop tops with jeans. I mean anything that is low waist, but I cannot wear low waist. I'm not a big fan of showing my body with a crop top. I'm not a fan of that, so I'm gonna pair this up with my tights that I have. I got my tights from No Code, from Lifestyle, from Code, sorry, not from No Code, it's from Code, from Lifestyle, which is from Lifestyle. So I got a grey and a blackish one. So I'm gonna pair it up with this, and it will look really nice because they are high waist tights. You can even wear it with high waist jeans, or even with low waist. I mean, people who like wearing, who can carry off well, they can wear it with high waist, low waist jeans. So this looks really nice. This is like, like short. It will come till here, and then these are the sleeves, which are amazing. And this is from the brand FTW01. I don't know which brand is this. FTW01 girl. And this I got from 999. Yes, this is 999. So this is the third thing I got. Then the last and the best thing, and a sudden plan of buying it. I like it and I bought it. I don't know. It is a bit, I don't know, the price is okay. It was looking nice, so I just got it. I wanted to take something like this since long, so yes, I got this. This is a bag actually. If you can see, this is the bag which I got, and it is like you can carry it like, single band also, and you can do a double band also, like the way you want to. I will show you, just hold on, like so. So you can carry it like this, and this is quilted, which I really like. And I don't own anything that is like quilted and all, and I really wanted to have something like this which is quilted, so I got this bag, and it's kind of spacious. It has a lot of space inside, if you can see, a lot of space. So I really liked it. This is this the price of this is 1599. Yes, 1599. So I really liked it and I bought this. So these are all the stuffs that I got from Globus, and I just hope that you like the stuff that I got. And please let me know if you want any kind of particular video on my channel, and I'm gonna share it with you. So till then, bye bye. I just hope that you like my video. Bye, take care, love you guys.